Sanwanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So over here guys, she posted this cute mini video of her and her son on her Instagram stories, and in the next story was a picture of her son. Then guys, Mseleku goes and posts that very same picture that Uvuyo guys he posted on her stories, and he puts a caption in Zulu yemfihlakalo, in Zulu yemfihlakalo Mseleku. So we know that Vuyo guys' son's name is Nzulu. And people on the comments section, you guys, you know, when I said there was the last video I did about something like this, where Musamseleku posted Terelo's child, and people on the comment section kept coming for him. The double standards that people had, guys, the comment section on here, no one is saying Uti what. Everyone's just complimenting the child. People are saying that the child looks better than ingani ka Other people are like, yes, Uvuyogazi, one thing guys, we will not lie. Ukel uyazala. Ukel uzala, not ukel uyazala, ukel uzala inzalo yakhe inhle shem. Like, her kids are beautiful. The comment section, you guys, people are like, yes, this is the son of the country. I'm like, guys, doesn't other people, like, you could see that Uvuyogazi really is loved, because that comment section, you guys, like, there was hardly any negative comment. There was only one comment where someone was like, you guys last week, you guys were crucifying Mseleku, busy saying, poster inganza banbani. Now that he posted Vuyogazi's son, you guys are quiet. I shame Nina. Got you. It's so true that there's nothing at this point that Mseleku will do or not do that people will not criticize. I mean, Mseleku, if you look through his feed, you guys, he posts all of his family whenever he wants to. Like, it's not, I don't think it's something intentional where he's like, oh, today post a ban or whatnot. The only person he hasn't been posting for a while is Usne. And a lot of people have noticed that even on Sne's birthday, he didn't post her, which he normally does post people on their birthday. So I don't know what's going on with that relationship. But anyway, people were saying, Mseleku, are you stalking Uvuyogazi? Because this picture looks as if it's a screenshot from Vuyogazi's stories. Angazi ke if Vuyogazi sends pictures to Umpumelelo or Mseleku. I know Mseleku is not following her the last time I checked. I don't know if she sends pictures to them, or they just need to be people who are on her stories in order to get pictures of the children. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.